Hi everybody, welcome to SEAMETAL channel again. I'm so glad to introduce you a premium car seat covers, and it's made of high quality leather and with exquisite sewing. And you can see here, the design is different, and this is the for your waist massage, and this design can relieve the fatigue during your drive. And it's made of good quality leather and airy and soft with sponge inside. And I can show you a paper you can see, and there are 5 leathers, and the first leather and the sponge inside, and then fabric and the sponge and fabric. So 5 layers design, so make sure it is very comfortable. And you can see this way, and with our company SEAMETAL logo, and this is a hood design, for your driver's seat. And there is an extra pocket design here, and you can put your small stuff into that. And this car seat cover is universal for all kinds of cars and trucks. It's universal, and you do not need to worry it's not fitable or not to your car. And for this product we have 3 colors, beige and black color with red lines, and black color with black lines. And there is a little hood for your headrest. And we are going to show you on the car and how to install it and how it looks like. And this gorgeous car seat cover, can give your car seat a new look, and it also can perfectly cover up the stains or any cracks existed on your car seat. And you can have a look. Yeah, it's nice and beautiful. Okay, let's take a look of this one. It's so beautiful with red lines and with black leather. And for this design, we have for front seat 3 colors, and also we have for set for rear seats, and we'll install them in the car and give you a whole look. You will never regret for you have this kind of car seat covers. It really perfectly fit your car and give your car a totally new look. Okay, let's go outside and install them in the car. So hi everyone, you can see the installation of this car seat cover is quite easy, and you can do it by yourself, and it's very easy. And also if you use the seat belt, it doesn't impact the seat belt. And also here it's a waist massage, and you feel it's comfortable. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. If you think my introduction is helpful and useful, please support us and give us a thumb up and subscribe our channel, and we will introduce more good products to you. Thank you.